Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Ashton. Today's flow is a really quick morning flow that you can do on a mat or on your bed. Doesn't really matter. Just need some comfy clothes and yourself. Let's get started in a comfortable seat, spine straight. Roll your shoulders up and down your back, close your eyes, and begin to deepen your breathing. Maybe set an intention for your day. It can be a word or a phrase or a feeling, whatever you'd like. Continue to deepen your breathing, activating your ujjayi or warrior breath. Open your eyes, bring your arms out in front of you, fingers clasped together, and raise them above your head, palms facing up. With an exhale, lean over towards the right, trying to keep the left hip from lifting up. Come back through center and over to the left, keeping the right hip from lifting up. Release the hands down and place your left hand on your right knee, right hand on the ground behind you for a twist. Come through to center and switch sides, right hand on left knee, left hand on the ground behind you. Come back to center, resting the hands on the knees. Inhale and arch the back for seated cow. Exhale and curl the belly into the spine for seated cat. Inhale and arch. Exhale and curl. 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 And release to a neutral spine. Shake your head yes and no a few times. And then do a few neck circles. Go slowly, pausing in any areas of tension that you feel. Now switch directions. Bring the soles of the feet to touch for butterfly pose. If this is too much for your hips right now, you can sit on a pillow or place blocks underneath your knees. Inhale, sit up tall, and exhale, fold forward over your feet. Inhale, sit up, and then lie down on your back, feet still together in butterfly. Scoot your heels closer to your bum until you're able to touch them with your hands. Firmly press down into the soles of the feet and raise your bum and back off the mat for bridge pose. Your chest will reach towards your chin and your chin will be slightly tucked. Lower down and lift back up. Lower down and lift back up. Lower down and pull the knees into the chest and rock side to side. Pull the knees towards your armpits and grasp the outsides of your feet for happy baby, keeping your spine on the mat. Lower the feet down. Cross your right leg over your left and then lower them to the mat on the left for a spinal twist. If this is too much, you can stack the legs on top of each other and then lower. Arms can be by your sides or up in cactus arms. Come back to center, cross the left leg over the right, and then lower them down to the right. With an inhale, sit back up. Thanks so much for joining me in practice today. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for new yoga and meditation videos every week. Hope you have an amazing day. Namaste.